We're going to take a look at two assignments today. One assignment that has a rubric attached to it and another assignment that has just a single standard attached. The first assignment we're going to take a look at is this retelling assignment. You'll know that it's an assignment because there's a pencil and paper, and you'll notice that there's 3 standards attached to this one assignment. If I edit it, you can see the guts of the assignment, and there are some notes for the teacher and some things for children and families. You'll also notice that there is this little multicolored box that lets you know that this is a rubric. That means that all 3 of these standards are attached to this rubric. If I click on it, you're going to notice that the mastery scale is already attached, and these are right from our curriculum. This is a little different than this summarizing rubric. This summarizing rubric, you're going to notice that there is not that little box icon, that we're using the mastery scale, and that there's only one standard attached. If you were going to go in and score these, you can do it a couple of ways. One way would just be to go into the assignment, and here you can have a child add something using their iPad, or you can click Edit Grades. Now these are grades that I have already marked, and you can mark accordingly. You could also leave notes over time if you want to go back and reuse that same assignment and then show progress. The same is true for the assignment with the single standard attached. Here I used a mastery scale. You're going to notice that all the grades were set as developing. That's because I hadn't begun to work with the children. As you do, you can go in and change those grades. This is what it looks like on the gradebook side. So if you click Gradebook, here are the 2 assignments. You can see here that Barb has moved from developing to competent. You could set all grades by just clicking Set All Grades. There you go. And here's the rubric for the retelling, and you could just score it within here as well.